going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and in today's video is all about my March Ipsy Glam Plus box. So if you want to see what I received in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of March, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm super excited to be doing this video, but before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that to be safe out there. I know that, you know, there's so much going on right now, so I want you guys to be safe. Stay with your loved ones. Try to, you know, practice social distancing and be safe. I've been having a very rough few days. That's why I haven't uploaded, trying to get all the items that my family needs. You guys know I am in California, and San Francisco went into a complete shutdown, and I'm literally an hour and 30 minutes away from San Francisco. So it was been really hard to find the things that I need. We ran out of toilet paper. Well, I was down to 2 rolls, couldn't find any. We ran out of rice. I ran out of dog food. And it's just been hard trying to find all of these items. So, like, pretty much every day I've been up at 6 in the morning, out till noon, 1 o'clock, going to several different stores just trying to find these items. And it's, like, pretty much obsolete. Some of the stores haven't been changing their opening hours. They're supposed to be open at 6. Sometimes they're not opening till 10. And we don't know when they're going to open. They just put a note on the door. There's lines outside these grocery stores. It is ridiculous. But luckily I was able to find some dog food to hold me over for a month, and thank you to my local corner store, I was able to get some rice, and which was shocking. He had some Thai jasmine rice because that's what I eat, and it was shocking that he had some. But yes, that was a lifesaver. And he actually had toilet paper because I couldn't find toilet paper anywhere, and I ordered it on Amazon, but it will not be here until after April 7th. So I'm like, I have 2 rolls. What am I going to do? And luckily he had toilet paper, and he's not charging astronomical prices because you know how the convenience store is usually higher prices. So I was really pleased with that. So shout outs to him for helping me out. But yeah, I finally got everything that I need for my family. I'm not leaving this house or going anywhere until we run out of either food, more toiletry stuff, or, you know, dog food or cleaning supplies or anything of that nature. But as of right now, your girl is stocked up. I'm happy. I'm in a good place because I was really stressed the past couple of days trying to get these items because I didn't know what I was going to do if I can't get them. Okay, because it's even hard trying to get them on Amazon. So yes, but I wanted to let you guys know that, and please stay safe out there. And I do apologize for my hiatus this week. I just was really trying to get things done, and it was really stressful. But on a brighter note, I got my Ipsy Glam Plus box today, and it just got dropped off by FedEx because I was wondering where my box was, but finally it came. And so I am pleased with that and happy to try this box out and see what's in there. So if you do not know what Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription box. You get 4 to 5 full-size products for $25, and I think it values over $125, $150, somewhere in there. And I really do like Ipsy. Ipsy was my very first subscription box. I signed up for their Ipsy Glam Bag, which is, it used to be originally $10 a month, but now it is $12 a month, and you get 4 to 5 sample size products, and that's not bad at all. It's just that I do have a lot of subscriptions that get full-size products, so I went on and canceled that one. But yes, let's go on and get into this because this is a long intro. Okay. But yes, this is going to brighten up my day. We're stocked on food. We're stocked on everything we need. And I got a box. Some new makeup or skincare products to play with. So as we open the box, it says discover yourself. And you know what? I actually like the coloring because it's like pink and orange right now. And that's kind of like matching what I got going on, right? So, alright. So as we open the box, the bag for this month, ooh, this is super cute. It's like a teal color bag, super cute. Got that green going on for St. Patrick's Day. And then it says Ipsy on the back, but when you open it up, it says unstoppable. And I love that. I love that message saying unstoppable. You going in here and just getting something to refresh in your day. You might be having a bad day and don't even know that this message is there for you to let you know you're unstoppable, boo. Okay, so I like that, and I do like the hint of this, like it's like a, what is this? Like a lime green? Or is it like the highlighter yellow? I don't know. I'm really bad with colors, you guys. I mean, I know my colors, but when we get off them basic names and stuff, but I know this is a neon, but it's super cute. I just don't know if it's a neon green or yellow, but it's super cute. I like that pop. So this bag I like, and it's going in my purse. So for our first product, we have, this is the Hemp Pure Herbal Extracts, Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. Hydrate and refresh. Enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. So, that's very interesting. I did get some products from them before that I have not used, and it smells delicious. Oh my God, this pineapple melon smells so good. Let's go on and try some now. Now, I like how it came out. It's a nice little thick consistency. You see how it's not running on my hand. So I like that. Oh my God, this scent is heaven, you guys. Yes, and it felt really good and moisturizing going on. So, yeah, I'm going to be throwing this in my purse as well. So that way I can have that on hand. Smells delicious. All right, so our next item is the Makiage, if I'm saying that correctly. I don't know how to say their name. Is the Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper. Ooh. And this is in Espresso. So let's open it up. It's in a little package like this. And I actually like this brand. I have a liquid eyeliner that I got from another one of my subscription boxes from this brand. And I love it. And I'm actually wearing the liquid eyeliner today. Ooh, yes. So this is to fill in your brows and shape them, honey. So I'm going to try this out and see how it does. And I like how it's all black, nice and sleek. That seems to be the theme of their packaging of their products. It doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I wanted to smell it. But yeah, it says Fill and Fix Brow Shaper. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this out. And we'll do a video on it too. Alright. Next up, we have, this is by Hey Honey. And it's the Trick and Treat Concealer. Active Propolis Cream Concealer with treatment benefits. Deep. All skin types. So I got deep. Eye treatment cream with concealer. So that's kind of nice. This is what it looks like. It says treat while you trick. Trick and treat. Hence. It says activate Propolis cream concealer. Treats fine lines and signs of aging while providing silky smooth coverage. Imperfections, dark circles, and under eye bags are hidden with this long-lasting multitasking under eye treatment benefits all skin types. I'm excited to try this because you know we all like to conceal and brighten under our eyes, and it's like doing 2 in 1. Hello, hiding some stuff and treating some stuff. Because you know we gotta take care of them eyes, honey. I don't want no fine lines popping up. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it works on my skin. And then next up, this is by Yensa, if I'm saying that right. It's the Super 8 Lip Oil. So this is the packaging right here. And it says that it's a Super 8 lip oil, a nourishing rich blend of 8 superfood oils. This multitasking hydrates lips with a pop of color. Ooh, because we all know we need some lip hydration, okay? It says tinted lip oil, gorgeous even color, leaves lips with a killer shine, graces aging lip nourishing, infused with 8 super oils to hydrate lips, lightweight, non-sticky, delivers antioxidants with superfoods, and helps minimize the appearance of fine lines. It says apply Super 8 lip oil to dry lips. And the 8 superfood oils it has in it is coconut vitamin E, rice bran oil, avocado seed oil, carrot seed oil, chia seed oil, black sesame seed oil, and flaxseed oil. So let's open this up and see, because I am intrigued now. Oh my goodness. I love stuff that will moisturize the lips, because, you know, wearing all the lipsticks and stuff. Ooh, it is definitely like a little gloss. I was not expecting this. Oh, my hands. They're too moist to open. Oh my God. Why can't I get this open? Alright, so I can't for some reason get this open right this second. I have no idea. It feels really slippery, so I'm going to end up having to wash my hands first and try it. But yeah, I can't open it, and I wanted to see what it smells like. But this is what she looks like. It's like, but we'll see. I gotta try to get this open. It even feels really greasy when you're touching it. Like, my hands don't feel greasy, but this does. So I don't know. I can't grip it at this point in time, and we got more products to move on to. So the next product is the Malin plus Goetz. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry. Revitalizing Eye Gel. Okay. It says, our eye gel revitalizes tired looking eyes, brighten overall eye area with rice and soy peptides, soothe and alleviate puffiness with cooling cucumber. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is kind of different because half of the label's here and the other half is here. So, okay. So, no, it's for your eyes. Let's open it up. Vitalizing Eye Gel. Oh. And it comes in a little pump. So, let's pump some and see if it comes out white, clear. Okay, it's like a cloudy. It's like a clear white. It's like cloudy. So, it's not like a pure white and it's not a pure clear. Ooh. Okay. This is definitely a gel. And I love the way it feels. It just smells like some type of chemical. Oh my God. This is bomb. This is bomb. I can feel the difference already. And I don't even put it on my face, y'all. I just put it right here. And you know, I put the lotion on and the lotion was on both hands. But when I touched this one compared to this one, it is a totally different ballgame. This one feels like a baby's butt. A baby's bottom. It's super, super soft and just like, oh my goodness. And then, you know, my hand is soft over here, but this one is just like extra. You know, when you grab the baby, you just don't want to let them go because they're so soft. That's how this feels right now. Oh, I can't wait to put this on my face. Ooh. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Okay, so last but not least, we have, this is by TheBalm Cosmetics, and it's the Day to Night Shadows on the Go palette. So this is kind of cute. It looks like a little license plate. I like that. And it does have the shades on the back. Let me open this up if I can. Okay, so, ooh, this is pretty. And I like how it's a little mini. But yeah, this is her right here. Has some really nice pretty shadows in there. I like that. That's cute. And it has this little green tab so you can pop it out if you need be. So I think this is cute. Oh, I love the take on this. Look, it looks like a little rear view mirror. Yes, and then this is the names of the streets. I like the take on this palette. It is so cute. So it says, we got Wall Street, Lombard Drive, Hyatt Street, Madison Street, Ave, Beacon Street, Hollywood Boulevard, Las Vegas. And then black primer. Use any of the matte shades as liners. Oh, I'm so excited to play with this. These are nice little everyday colors. So this is like a very safe and fun palette. So I'm excited to try this out and play with it. And it's super, super small and cute. You can like actually throw it in here and like take it with you if you need to touch up and stuff. Because, you know, sometimes we have those big palettes that we're using. And then it's like, well, if we're on the go and we need to touch up, or, you know, say we didn't do something right. Because you shouldn't have to touch up your eyeshadow all the time. But sometimes when you're testing out new products, you might have to re-hit some corners or something of that nature. But this is cool. I like this, so I'm gonna try it out and see how the shadows. And I have another palette by this TheBalm Cosmetics, and I like it. So that is all the items that I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of March. I'm still trying to get this lip gloss, this Super 8 lip oil open, and I can't seem to get it open, you guys. So I'm going to see if I can get some help with that. I'm so sorry that I can't like smell and test this out for you guys on camera like right now. I may be able to do that later in the future, but I do apologize for some of you guys just can't get it open. But yes, that is everything that I received in my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of March, and I'm really pleased with everything and can't wait to play with stuff and test it out and see how it does with my skin. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to comment down below, what did you like out of this month's box? And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.